Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I, Deepmani Bhardwaj, welcome you all again, and today we are going to discuss SBI Apprentice previous year's cutoff and paper analysis. So we'll be discussing about the previous year's cutoff, and apart from that we'll also be discussing the previous year's papers analysis. So it is very important before sitting in the examination that what type of level is there in the examination. So for individual all the subjects we are going to discuss that what was the number of questions that were asked from individual sections. So let's start with our topic. First of all, if we talk about SBI Apprentice, then to narrow the gap between the industrial skills and candidates' knowledge, the Indian Ministry of Skill Development and Internship, along with numerous establishments, both private and public, provides on the job training to fresh graduates. And as you already know that it is a training program which is of 3 years where you can learn these skills how the working in the banking is done. So every year hundreds of Indian firms are voluntarily providing trainings to professionals of various trades through the on the job training and often some accompanying studies. You must have heard about the Manipal University and all regarding that, isn't it? So during the apprenticeship training, apprentices are paid a monthly stipend to enable them to sustain their day-to-day expenses. Every year, State of Bank of India selects hundreds of graduates towards their training section. So this year also the vacancy has been released and already the form filling has started, isn't it? So now we'll be discussing in the previous years how the questions are asked. So first of all we'll discuss about the reasoning section. So in the reasoning section the topics from which questions were asked are from the analogies. There were two number of questions that were asked and its difficulty level was easy. If we talk about number series, and from number series 3 questions were asked and its level was moderate. Then there were puzzle section from where 3 questions were asked and it was of easy level. Then from the data sufficiency 4 questions were asked which was again of easy level. From verbal reasoning 4 questions were asked, again it was of easy level. From logical reasoning part there were 5 questions which were of easy level. And from letters and symbols there were from letter and symbol series there were 4 questions asked and it was again of easy level. But if we talk about the type of question, then there was a question in which we were given that which of the following does not belong to others, and the options were guitar, flute, violin, cello. So these type of question are asked which word does not belong with the other. For example, it can be there are 4 options are given and one of the option would be correct. So now they have already started giving 5 options each. So the options can be leopard, jaguar, elephant, lion. Fine. So apart from these options you would have to tell the correct answer. Now if we move on to the next section, that is a quantitative aptitude part. In this quantitative aptitude part, in simple interest there were 2 questions asked which were of moderate level. From profit and loss there were 1 question that was of easy level. From line chart and table there were 5 questions which was of again easy level. From DI part there were 5 questions of easy level. Then from simple equation there were 4 questions which was of easy level. Then from square roots part there were 5 questions which was of moderate level. From decimal and fractions there were 3 questions which were of easy level. If we talk about the type of question, then one of the question I'll discuss here. One question that was asked was from a group of 5 males and 6 females, in how many ways can 4 be chosen to include exactly 1 female? So this was the question from P and C, that is permutation and combination. So I'll repeat it again. From a group of 5 males and 6 females, in how many ways 4 can be chosen in which exactly 1 female must be there. So you all have already seen those videos and all those videos are upcoming in which these type of questions are discussed. So this type of questions come in the apprentice part. Next, now we'll talk about the general awareness section. So from sports section there were 2 questions asked which were of moderate level. From Indian culture there were 3 questions asked which was again of moderate level. From days and dates there a single question was asked which was of easy level. From award and honors there were 5 questions which were asked were all the of easy level. From books and author section there were 2 questions asked which was of easy level. And from the latest updates, that is the national and international, there were 12 questions asked which were of moderate level. If I talk about the type of question, then the type of question can be, I'll give you the example. For example, the Nobel Prize winners from the economics section were asked. From the economics, who won the Nobel Prize? This was the question. Apart from that, there were other questions like, in the production of soap, a byproduct, which byproduct is formed? This type of questions were asked from the general awareness section. And there was one more question which is important, which you must be aware of. Which of the following book is not written by Abdul Kalam? Is it Turning Point? Is it Rebooting India? Is it Wings of Fire? Is it India 2020? So you already know that Turning Point, Wings of India, this was written by AP Abdul Kalam, and they were asking which is not written by Abdul Kalam, and the first option was which was written by Abdul Kalam. So many of the students did what? They just saw Abdul Kalam and take the A option, but that was wrong, because we were asked which of the following books were not written by the APJ Abdul Kalam. Fine. Now if we talk about the English section, then in English part, from reading comprehension, there were 9 questions which were all of easy level. From spotting error, there were 5 questions which were again of easy level. From fill in the blanks part, there were 4 questions which was of easy level. From spelling test, there were 3 questions which was of easy level. From sentence improvement, there were 2 questions which was of easy level. And from synonyms and antonyms, there were 2 questions which are again of easy level. Now the question that were asked, I'll give you example. There was a question in which we were given that the doctor soon diagnosed the patient's illness. In this sentence, diagnosed means, now you know that what is the meaning of diagnose. Diagnosing means that in the computer also you have listened the word diagnose, in which we just find out what is the issue, isn't it? So they gave the option like cured, provided the medicine for the treatment, treated, decided on the nature of the illness. So these type of questions were asked from the English section. Then if we talk about the previous year's overall cutoff, then in the general section, general English, as you already know that from each and every section there were 25 question each, which were of 25 marks. So out of these 25 questions from general English, the cutoff that they have given was around 16 to 18. Fine. From the reasoning and computer aptitude, again 25 questions were asked, in which the cutoff was around 80 to 20. In the quantitative aptitude, there were 25 questions which were asked, and the cutoff was around 15 to 20. In the general and financial awareness, there were again 25 questions, and the cutoff which went was around 18 to 21. These are the individual subject cutoff which I have told you. For the general English, this 16 to 18. For reasoning and computer aptitude, 18 to 20. For quantitative aptitude, 15 to 20. For general and financial awareness, 18 to 21. But if we talk about the overall cutoff, then it was around 70 to 75. Now as you know that it varies from one particular place to another, but the main thing is that there is a category wise cutoff as well, isn't it? So this was the previous year's cutoff. I have already told you what is the level of the examination. It is quite simpler in comparison to other examinations, but I have also discussed apart from that from the individual section how many number of questions were asked, so you can prepare examination accordingly. And yes, do not forget to give mock test and other tests that are available on our application. So please download the entry application and start giving tests from there. So thanking you for watching this video. Please do like it, subscribe our channel, and share this video as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.